You will not believe I have tried one egg chocolate cake recipe for the first time and it turned out delicious. Believe me, you can make it using these simple steps. Welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Start by taking a favorite chocolate compound of your choice and cut it into small pieces to melt the chocolate, and I've used a small portion of it to make choco chips on a baking paper. I did not have a piping bag, but instead of that, I've taken a teaspoon to make small dots for the choco chips. But I would suggest you should try with a piping bag. In a bowl, take 1 cup of oil, half cup of powdered sugar, mix it well until you see a creamy texture. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix it well again, and 1 egg. You can add 2 eggs as well, but since this is a 1 egg chocolate recipe, we are going to try the same. Half cup of milk, which is at a normal temperature. Mix it well and add 1 full cup of maida. Mix the ingredients well again and add cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda. Mix it completely. In this step, you can add 2 teaspoons of milk powder. I had skipped it, I had forgotten previously, but you can add it now as well. And if you feel the texture or the consistency is too thick, take a cup of warm water and mix it until you see a correct consistency for the batter. This is the consistency that the batter should have. Now take a glass container or any baking container that you would like to bake your cake in, grease it with oil and take a baking paper or a parchment paper, and according to the bottom portion or bottom size of the portion of your container, cut the paper and place it on the bottom side of the tin. Grease it again with oil, and now put all the batter on it and you can add choco chips on the batter. Since this is no oven cake, I have taken a big vessel, preheated it at a low flame for 10 minutes, placed a stand and then the glass container for the cake and cover it and let the cake bake for 40 to 45 minutes. Next, I have taken 1 cup Amul fresh cream and added to the melted chocolate, and I have added it to a bowl. Now the cake is ready. You can just check by pricking a toothpick. If the toothpick comes clear, the cake is fully ready. Take a knife and check the edges of the cake. If the edges come clear, flip the cake to remove the baking paper from the cake and see how beautifully it has been baked inside. And since I am using the same glass container to put the chocolate ganache for the cake, I am flipping the cake again back to the same container. So I've added the chocolate ganache and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.